All right, so how do you register for the Marching Wildcats? Well, it's pretty easy, but I want to walk you through it anyway just to make sure everybody understands. So first thing you need to do is go to the band website. You can Google Great Bridge High School Band. You can go to gbhsband.org. It'll forward you to the membership toolkit site, which is what we use for our website. That address is gbhsband at membershiptoolkit.com. When you first come in here, if you're not a returning family, you're going to see something a little bit different. I'll log out just so you can kind of see it. There we go. And you pretty much have nothing to go with at first. So what you're going to need to do is create an account. So if you're a new user, click on Create Account. You're going to fill out the information there. It's going to ask you a couple questions. It'll send you a verification email. Just click to verify it, then head back to the website and log in. Returning users, you're just going to click on the login part. You might already be logged in. All right, I'm going to log in as me. It might tell you that I need to update my password. Hopefully it doesn't, but we'll see how that goes. Oops. Oh, good, it didn't do it. Okay. Sorry, I'm on the school Wi-Fi. There we go. All right, so now that I'm here, how do I register? Well, step 1 is complete. You made an account. Step 2, you need to fill out 2 forms. There's a registration form and a health medical form. To get to them, you're going to go to My Account, then click on My Forms and Paperwork. It might look a little different because I'm the band director, but you're going to see some forms in this section. There is the Contact Us form, which is not what you want to do. But then there's this membership application and the health form. All right. Contact Us, by the way, is just to get to us if you have a question or forgot my email address or something. So we're going to fill out the membership form first. I'm not going to actually type everything in, but fill out student's name, information. Do me a huge favor. Just triple check your students' email addresses and any phone numbers you enter into this registration form. Just take a minute, take a breath, double check it, and make sure, because I've had some situations come up where I can't get in touch with a parent or a student because the wrong email address or the wrong phone number is in here. And for marching band, I need to use this information because it's not part of my course load during the day, and I don't have synergy access like I do for my regular classes. Enter everything in here. If a student has a cell phone number, that kind of thing. You can fill out this part for parents. If you want one parent to fill out everything here, you can do that. Just put parent 1 or parent 2, and that will work there. Sections, just a quick rundown. Mellophone players are basically if you're a French horn or you're a trumpet player that switched to mellophone, or you play another instrument. But if you're a horn player, you put mellophone. If you're a trombone, euphonium, baritone player, you're going to click baritone because that's what we march in the marching band. T-shirt sizes are here. These are adult sizes, not children's or youth sizes, so please be aware of that when you click on the size. Under that, there's a photo waiver. I'll let you read it. I don't need to do that, but you can read it later. And then a quick thing about the marching band fee agreement, basically just saying that you understand that in order for us to make this awesome group run, we need your students' dues to be paid so we can pay for all the different things we need to pay for that we don't get because it's an extra thing. And there's a little bit of info beneath that too. Once you're done with that, click on Finished, save and continue, and it'll send you on your way. And you're done with that part. Next is the medical form. Same kind of deal here, or the health form, I should say. Enter all the stuff. You are going to need to have like emergency contact ready to go. And for parents, we just have one parent or guardian here. If you just want to put a primary contact there, that'll work. And for emergency contacts, I'd like it to be somebody outside of the family or somebody that watches your child or whatever. Put them right there. And that's who we're going to get in touch with if we can't get in touch with you. Allergies, medication, all that stuff, any medical attention we need to know about. If they use an EpiPen, you can click Other and put Uses EpiPen, or you can put that in the medications, wherever you'd like to put it. Put it twice. Put it as many times as you need to because that's good information to have. Any medication they're on that we need to know about. This part is not so much for the day-to-day activities, but when we do travel abroad, go out of the state, stay overnight somewhere, we need to have this information because we do carry all of this with us everywhere we travel, be it a football game or an overnight trip somewhere. Any additional information you can put there, health insurance, that kind of stuff. Okay, once that's done, you just finish it up, sign it up, and put the date, click submit, or click I'm finished, and then click save and submit, and you're done. That's pretty much all you have to do for this first part. Once you get the information registered, the next piece of the puzzle is turning in your payment and the initial deposit, which is due June 2nd this year. So that information is available on Google Docs. There's a link in the handout. There's going to be a link on the website to find how to make the payments and all of that. But you can mail a check in if you'd like, or you can use one of our Square payments. There's QR codes and a link somewhere on one of the handouts that you will have, hopefully, that you can use to fill out. So if you have any questions about anything, that's the big piece of the puzzle here. Thank you all so much. If you have a question, shoot me an email. Be happy to get back to you. Thanks.